everyone, Sherry Wind here, just doing a midweek check-in. So this is week 5. We're actually almost halfway through our semester this week. And I just wanted to discuss with you the Unit 1 exam that's coming up on Monday. So the exam will consist of 25 short answer questions. And what I mean by short answer is just that. These aren't essays or short essays or abstracts. These are just 2 to 3, maybe 4 on some questions, sentences, brief sentences. Some of these can actually even be answered in outline form that respond to a question. So it might be a question like, what is the class mission statement? Or it might be a question like, give me an example of a projection test and describe how projection tests help to assess a client situation and challenges. So they're brief. Again, I do not expect long answers to these questions. The study guide has been posted to D2L. It can be available on our announcements page, or it certainly can be available where this video will be posted, or it can be available under unit exam study guides. So make sure you're looking at that. The study guide is very closely parallels the exam itself. So just a couple of details about the exam. The exam opens up Monday morning at 7 a.m. So that's the first time you can take the exam. And it closes on Monday, June 29th, the same day, at 11:30 p.m. So you have roughly a 12-hour window, slightly longer, to take the exam. The exam is timed. You'll have 75 minutes to take the exam. So make sure you're pacing yourself. So that's about 3 minutes a question. So make sure you're keeping that in mind. There is a clock that runs on the test itself. I'm sure you'll have your own phones or clocks nearby. But just make sure you're pacing yourself. Not to spend 5, 6, 7, 10 minutes on one question, obviously, is going to set you back on completing the exam on time. Basically, you'll go under activities under the home page, and then you'll go under quizzes, and then you'll click on Unit 1 exam, and you'll say Take Exam. You only have one attempt, and again, it's timed by 75 minutes. If there's any questions, please email me. Let me know. I'm willing to meet one-on-one with anyone if anyone has a specific questions that they'd rather meet sort of live, if you will, in person, online. And I wish you all well. So please let me know again if you have any questions.